Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. If you watched my last video, the frozen pina colada, you've seen that we're back into summer drinks, kind of stepping away from teepees. Trying to step away, we're going to step away from tiki a little bit and head to the tropical side of cocktails. Tiki is a little more bold and spice driven, where tropical cocktails are more simple, few ingredients, fresh ingredients, and just fruity yummy yum yum. So we're going to be going with some tropicals. We just did our pina colada. Now we're going to be going on to our frozen daiquiri. Daiquiri is one of my favorite cocktails on the planet, if not my favorite cocktail on the planet. It is so simple. Rum, simple syrup, lime juice. That's it. Shake it, strain it in a coupe glass. Best cocktail on the planet, especially if you're using really good rum. Now, frozen is a little bit different. If you're here in Louisiana, the daiquiri shops, those aren't daiquiris. Those are grown-up slushies. So a daiquiri is going to have rum, lime juice, and maybe a fruit flavor in it. And that's what we're doing today. And this is going to be a Mango Strawberry Daiquiri, one of my wife's favorites. So let's get started. In your blender cup, and I find that this is a little cheap Hamilton Beach. Super great for cocktails. Throw your stuff in it, hit your button, zing, zing, zing. You got a drink afterwards. So I would say, I'll leave a link below on Amazon. You can pick one of these up. It's an affiliate link, so yeah, help me out. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of a light rum. Use your favorite. I obviously am. Well, one of my favorites. I don't know if I have a favorite. Louisiana produces some amazing rum. And everybody has a different style of rum, and they're just all really good. But Black Pearl from 7.3 is super, super tasty. And I'll leave a link below because they do ship if your state allows it. Nowadays, I think most states do, but you can order Black Pearl rum from 7.3 Distilling and they can send it to you. We go 1 ounce of lime juice now. Just again, same simple, basic daiquiri ingredients. So next we're going to go with our syrups. Now simple syrup is what's usually called in a daiquiri, and y'all know me and Allulose. Allulose simple syrup. But Jordan Skinny Mixes make some delicious fruit flavor. So mango is amazing. Strawberry is really, really good too. Oh, there will be an affiliate link below. So if you want to grab some of these, you'll get a 10% discount with my discount code, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy, but there'll be a link below on all that stuff. Pick up you some Jordans, some really, really good stuff, and it's all 0 net carbs. So we're gonna do a ½ ounce, actually let's do a 3/4 ounce of mango, because we want a little more mango than strawberry. Because I find the mango's a little more mild flavor. So to get that just right, we want a little more mango than the strawberry. And now our strawberry syrup. We won't be using simple syrup because we have the sweetness coming from the fruit syrups. So now we're gonna go about 1 cup of ice, about 6 to 8 ounces of ice. My ice scoop is 8 ounces. And if you have some ice that's already broken up a little bit, that's gonna be better. The smaller it is to start with, the smoother it'll be in the end. If you got usually like ice cubes in here, you can end up with still some chunky ice, unless you have a really high-powered blender. Then at that point, it's really getting hot and it starts melting it, so they'll get watered down really fast. So start with a crushed ice, or at least bash it up a little bit before you put it all in together. And let's get this locked in place and hit the zing zing button. And try it one more time. Still got a little ice in there. We should be good there. And let's get ourselves, let's see. I've not really used this glass a whole lot, and I really like it. It's a really high volume glass, so this may not fill it because this glass holds a lot. It's kind of deceiving. It's so short, but it holds a lot. Let's just go ahead and just pop that off, dunk that in. Oh, look at that. Yes. Now you can garnish this with a strawberry, and you can use fresh strawberries. Oh, don't get me wrong. You can dice up some fresh strawberries, throw that in there instead of the strawberry syrup. You get some of those bits and strawberries. And strawberries are fairly low carb, but it does add to your carb count. By using the Jordan Skinny Mixer syrups, you're having 0 carbs in this, and the only carbs you're gonna have is from the lime juice. And like when I have these, I'm gonna be eating like just meat all day or cheese. I'm gonna have like a 0 carb day because all my carbs will be coming into my lime juice. I'll have like 10 of these. They're that good. And that's all my macros for the day. Who am I kidding? I do keto when my wife's watching. So here you go, the strawberry mango daiquiri. That is delicious. That's beyond delicious. That's absolutely amazing. You still get some of that tartness from the lime. Definitely, I do good ratios on the mango because, like I said, the mango is a little bit milder on the flavor in that syrup. So I'm glad I went with the 3/4 ounce and then the 1/2 ounce of the strawberry. You still taste all those flavors there. Absolutely delicious. Perfect summertime fruity sweet cocktail for the beach. I don't know if they make these like battery powered or not. I don't know. Maybe if you want to spend enough money on it. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day because after this one, I got another video planned too. I'm going to have a great day. Hell, I'm already having one with this. Strawberry mango daiquiri. That's so good. All right, guys. See y'all later.